Ready, start. The Auditor General of Pakistan has highlighted serious financial irregularities, non-transparent procurements and unauthorized expenditures within various formations of the Defence Service, calling on the relevant authorities to improve internal controls and initiate inquiries to fix responsibilities. Full stop. In its audit report on the account of Defence Service, AGP public published more than 300 pages of audit objections, including non-recoveries, over the advance payment, procurement related irregularities, losses to the site and the non-production of records. The report noted that the Ministry of Defence receives a single line budgetary grant, which is distributed among the Ministry of Defence Production, Services Headquarters, Inter-Service Organization, and the Strategic Planning Division, full stop, under the administrative control of the Ministry of Defence, the main job of the armed force, the Army, Navy and Air Force is to defend the country to territorial integrity and assist the civil administrative when required, full stop. Audit identify the non-compliance to the Defence Service regulations in area like advance payment before completion of work through running account, receipt, splitting of financial power, non-recoveries of rent and allied charges, non-deduction of applicable taxes, violation of public procurement rules, non-compliance of land policy and execution of unauthorized work as some of the key issues. The report said the Defence Service were allocated rupees 1 trillion Rs as the original budget for the financial year, which was later increased to rupees 1.5 trillion through supplementary grant, full stop. The audit report expressed concern over the poor compliance rate of defense formation with audit objection over the past 40 years, stating that if effort to correct course and regularize account have been inadequate, full stop. The report reiterated that the principal accounting officer, Federal Secretary of the Ministry concerned, should take necessary steps to expedite compliance with directive because it pertained to public money. Before the premier administrative service in India was the Indian Civil Service, full stop. This was a single service divided up to into a number of cadres on a provincial basis, full stop. Office appointed to this service were allocated to the various provinces and they remain member of the Indian Civil Service cadet of their province throughout their career, full stop. The central government met their own need by the deputation of officers from the province, full stop. There was also in undivided Indian, the Indian Public political service, the two main sources of recruitment to which were the Indian civil service and the Indian Army. Full stop. The government of Pakistan have decided to constitute their civil service as a centralized service on a all Pakistan basis. Full stop. It will be there the civil service of Pakistan. Full stop. This decision has been taken in order to create a well organized civil service for the whole of Pakistan, constituted and operated on a centralized basis, thereby increasing association between the various provinces and developing homogeneity in administration. Full stop. The member of this service, who shall be liable to be posted to any of the province will be administratively more useful to the center as well as provincial government than if they belong to provincial cadre, because of the knowledge and experience they will acquire by service in the province of West Pakistan as well as East Pakistan. And uniform standard of administration in all part will also be achieved. Full stop.